As you're aware, I'm getting my motorcycle up and running. I've bought a really old motorcycle. You've already seen an introduction video to it. Now the main thing is we need to make space for this bad boy and somewhere where I can film and show you everything. You already saw I made a video about my motorcycle workshop slash garage workshop, and I divided up my garage into two sections. There's like a full-on video about that. I'll put you in the cards, you can check that out. But what we're doing now is I'm cleaning out, because that video was last year when I did the restoration of my scooter, the 250cc Yamaha XCT scooter. Now we're doing motorcycles, so you want to watch me clean this up and get it ready. I've got some old carpet. We put carpet in the house, so I've got extra pieces like brand new. They're going to be for our motorcycle. We're going to put a nice layer underneath. I'm going to sort out some lighting and make this look a bit more cinematic, make it look nice. I got to a point where I looked at it and I was like, you know what, this looks fake. It looked like it was the background looked like it was a green screen, but that's how good I am. So, you know, that's how we roll. I'll show you little overlays of what it looks like at the end, but I'm basically going through this step, and then we're going to get onto the motorcycle restoration bit, taking the engine, taking the fuel tank off, taking the air filters out, taking the carbs out, cleaning those, giving it a start, and then slowly working around the bike to get it up and running for summer. About 6 weeks I'm hoping, and this will be up and running. That was that section. Hopefully you found that useful. I'll see you on the next video here, which will actually take you on the next section of this project.